Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Messenger notification not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on Messenger app, go back. Again click on Messenger app, go back. 1, 2, 3 times go back and refresh phone and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Messenger app from here. Click on Messenger app and click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on Play Store app and click on this profile icon and click on manage app and device. So after click on manage apps and device and click on updating apps and you will see click search messenger from here. Here showing you messenger. If you want to update, click on update. You will see messenger is update. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.